Welcome back to Tech Goods, your trusted destination for in-depth reviews on the latest products that elevate your lifestyle, your home, and your outdoor spaces. In today's episode, we're reviewing a standout addition to any backyard or patio setup, the Sunjoy 10x12 Wood Gazebo. This cedar-framed steel hardtop gazebo is designed to turn your outdoor area into a stylish and functional retreat all year round. If you're in the market for a durable, attractive, and practical gazebo for entertaining or relaxing, stay with us as we dive deep into every aspect of this outdoor structure. Let's begin with the overall design and aesthetic appeal of this gazebo. The Sunjoy 10x12 Wood Gazebo makes a powerful visual impression with its warm cedar wood frame. The natural-looking finish enhances the beauty of patios, lawns, and backyards, fitting perfectly in both modern and rustic settings. Measuring 10 feet by 12 feet, it provides ample space for furniture, lounging, or outdoor dining arrangements. The two-tier steel hardtop roof adds dimension to the design while improving airflow and temperature control inside the gazebo. This combination of wood and steel gives it both character and structural integrity, making it suitable for different weather conditions and seasonal transitions. Whether you're decorating with string lights, outdoor seating, or even greenery, this gazebo acts as a stunning centerpiece. The materials used in this gazebo reflect Sunjoy's reputation for producing reliable and premium outdoor structures. The cedar wood frame is pre-cut and pre-drilled, saving time and reducing assembly errors, while still offering the strength and charm that only real wood can provide. The powder-coated steel roof panels are a standout feature, offering excellent durability, weather resistance, and protection from harmful UV rays. This rooftop design allows wind to pass through, preventing heat from building up under the canopy. Anchor and mounting materials are included, but you will need to supply your own foundation materials such as pavers or a concrete pad. Once assembled, the gazebo stands tall and secure, giving you confidence that it will remain a fixture in your outdoor living space for years to come. Now let's discuss the assembly experience, which is often a deciding factor for many homeowners. Sunjoy provides clear, easy-to-follow instructions that simplify the setup process. Most users report that the gazebo takes around 6 to 8 hours to fully assemble, and it's highly recommended to have at least 2 people working together. The labeling of components is intuitive, and since the frame is pre-cut and pre-drilled, most of the difficult work is already done before you begin. To speed up the process and ensure a stable build, using power tools is advisable. Attention to alignment and patience during the setup will result in a structure that looks great and feels strong. For DIY enthusiasts or even first-time builders, the experience is smooth and relatively hassle-free when following the provided guidance step by step. Once the gazebo is set up, its everyday use quickly becomes the highlight of your outdoor area. The steel hardtop not only blocks sunlight effectively, but also offers a two-tier ventilation design that encourages air circulation, making it comfortable to relax under even on warm days. The structure comes with a ceiling hook built into the frame, allowing you to hang a chandelier, ceiling fan, or decorative light fixture. This thoughtful addition creates a cozy evening atmosphere while adding functional lighting. The size is generous enough for a sectional sofa, dining set, or even outdoor workout space. While the gazebo does not include netting or curtains, many third-party accessories fit the frame perfectly. It is important to note that placing a burning fire pit underneath is not recommended due to spark risks, but a gas-burning fire table can be used if kept at least 1.5 meters away from flammable components. This structure extends your home's usable space into the outdoors, letting you entertain, dine, or unwind regardless of the season. To help you make an informed decision, let's go over the key pros and cons of the Sunjoy 10x12 Wood Gazebo. On the positive side, the cedar wood frame is both visually appealing and robust. The powder-coated steel roof provides excellent durability and UV protection while enhancing ventilation. The assembly process is manageable for most users with basic tools and assistance. The included ceiling hook adds flexibility for lighting and decor. On the downside, foundation materials are not included, so you need to prepare your base ahead of time. Additionally, the structure does not come with built-in screens or curtains, which may be a concern in mosquito-prone areas. Some users have noted that while the structure is sturdy for everyday use, it might benefit from additional reinforcement in very windy locations. Overall, the balance of benefits far outweighs the limitations, especially considering the price point and quality. Real user feedback adds value to any review, and this product has received several positive experiences worth mentioning. One customer shared that they absolutely love the gazebo, describing it as exactly what they were looking for. Although they wished it was a little sturdier, they admitted it does the job well and significantly improved their deck area. They managed to build it in about 7 hours and are now enjoying a much more functional outdoor space. Another user mentioned the product was easy to install and concluded with a confident recommendation, stating that buyers would not be disappointed. These types of reviews highlight the practical value of the gazebo and confirm that it meets the expectations of most homeowners seeking an outdoor retreat. To wrap things up, the Sunjoy 10x12 feet wood gazebo is a beautiful and functional addition to any outdoor space. With its natural cedar wood construction, 2-tier ventilated steel roof, and thoughtful design features like the built-in ceiling hook, this structure strikes an excellent balance between style and practicality. While it may require some planning for foundation and accessories, it delivers outstanding value for the investment. If you enjoyed this review and want to see more in-depth looks at products that enhance your home and lifestyle, please like the video, subscribe to Tech Goods, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. If you have questions or want us to review a specific product, drop your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one on Tech Goods.